As I went a-walking one morning in May, to view yon fair valleys and mountains so gay, I was thinking of the flowers all going to decay, that bloom around the bonny Slieve Gallion brae. How oft in the morning, with my dog and my gun, I roam through the glens for the joy and for fun, but those days they are all over, and I can no longer stay. So farewell unto ye bonny Slieve Gallion brae. How oft in the evening, with the sun in the west, I roved hand in hand with the one I love best, but the hopes of youth have vanished, and now I'm far away. So farewell unto ye bonny Slieve Gallion brae. Farewell to old Ireland, the island so green, to the parish of Lissan and the cross of Balnasgreen. May good fortune shine upon you while I am far away. So farewell unto ye bonny Slieve Gallion brae. So